Alexa, turn on Comedy Central.
Okay.
Hey guys, Steve here. Today I'm going to show you a quick speed version of my Alexa TiVo control using the Raspberry Pi. In a previous video, I showed you how to set up a Raspberry Pi Zero W from a completely clean install. This will be continuing on from there. This video right here is going to show you how to set up 12 channels that can be controlled by Alexa. If you'd like to set up more than 12 channels, be sure to check out my other video and I'll show you how to do that. To get started, we'll SSH into our Raspberry Pi. The default password is Raspberry. Well, the first thing we're going to do is we're going to see if Python is running. So we'll type Python, and we see that version 2 is running, which is what we need. This is the programming language that runs our code. So you can hit Control-D to get out of that. Next, we're going to download our code from the GitHub. So we're going to type git clone https://github.com/rocky2/quick_Alexa_Ti_vo.git. If we get an error that says git command not found, that means the Git application is not installed on the Raspberry Pi. To install Git, we'll type sudo apt-get space install git. This will take several minutes to download and install the Git application onto our Raspberry Pi. Now with Git installed, let's go ahead and clear this message. And we'll go ahead and we'll type git clone, and now it is copying from the GitHub onto our Raspberry Pi. So if we do an ls command, we'll see that Quick Alexa TiVo has been downloaded. So let's go ahead and we'll change into that folder. Do an ls command again, we'll see that we have a bunch of applications running. This is the application that we need to edit. Type sudo nano ti_vo.py. This is our code right here. If we scroll down, we need to do a little editing. Right near the top where it says GPI ports, these are the channels that we are programming to Alexa. So right here is the channel name, and this is the channel number. You'll want to change the channel number to whatever the channel is on your television. Whatever channel ABC is on your television, you need to edit this right here. Then scroll down a little further, and we're going to go to this section right under here, under triggers, and this is the IP address. This is the IP address of our TiVo. Now I recommend setting your TiVo to a static IP address because over time your TiVo may get a different IP address from your DHCP server. And if that happens, then this program will quit working until you come through and edit this line again. So change the IP address to the IP address of your TiVo. When you've changed the IP address and you've changed the channel numbers in this top section, go ahead and hit Control-X to exit out of this. You want to save your modification, so yes, and just hit enter to save it to the same name. Now we can run our TiVo application. Just type Python TiVo.py. Now if you get an error right here that says import error, no module name request, that means we need to install the request app into Python. And to do that, all we have to do is type sudo apt-get install python-requests. And this will take several minutes to install the request applications. This is a one-time process. When that process is complete, let's just go ahead and we'll clear. And we'll go ahead and we'll try our Python TiVo.py application. And now that you'll see our program is running and is now registered all these devices, so it can now listen for Alexa. Now all we have to say is, Alexa, discover devices. In 20 seconds, she should have learned these 12 new devices. Now there is a limitation that Alexa can only learn 12 devices at a time. So that's what this code does, is program only 12 channels. To close out of this program, just hit the Control and C, and it will interrupt the program and stop it. Now that you find out that this application is working, a good idea might be to have this application start every time that the Raspberry Pi reboots. Now if you want to have that set up, you just have to type sudo nano/etc/rc.local. Now scroll through this application until you get to the very end, right where it says exit 0. Create a new line right before that, and just type sudo python/pi/quick_Alexa_Ti_vo.py space and symbol. The and symbol is needed so that other applications can start. So with that line written in there, all we have to do is hit Control-X, save the changes, yes, save to that file, Now if we reboot the system, just go in sudo reboot, the system will reboot and our application will be running every single time that the system boots up. Let's go ahead and we'll hit the TiVo button on our remote. We'll go down to settings. We'll go to settings again, and we'll go to remote, cable card, and devices, and then go down to network remote control, and then we'll go to enable. And if you read this, it tells you you need to press the thumbs up 3 times, and now it's all enabled. On the TiVo Bolt, we're gonna hit our TiVo button. We're gonna go down to messages and settings, and we'll go down to remote, cable card, and devices. From here, we'll go down to network remote control, and we'll go allow network-based remote controls. And that's it for the TiVo Bolt. Well, I hope you guys liked this video. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below, and make sure you check the video description for any other information I may add after I post the video. And be sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel. I will have more Raspberry Pi videos coming out, including some that include home automation. Thanks for watching, guys.